Ha ka jingra khe ka World Blood Donor Day ka Juwai Civil Hospital Blood Center Panaliar West Jaintia Hills District Juwai kalapun ko burom hikinong ais na mons ngobha kibala IT lud ha ka imlang salang lingba ka jing ais na mons ngobha ya ka ni ka program lapun long hat pali community hall Juwai halwar ka phang pedeng one drop of humanity give blood save lives ka Assistant Commissioner West Jaintia Hills District ka Emilia CH Moment ka balalong kum ka kongsan kalaya ro e ka jingno sinyang jong kinong ais na mons ngobha dak babatay ke ki kum ki riushlor bashisha jong ka imlang salang ka Dr. I Krim Senior Medical and Health Officer in charge Juwai Civil Hospital Blood Center ha ka jingkran matphang kalaban jor ya ka jingdon kam jong ka jing ai snam mons ngobha ha ka bapenthik na ya ka jingyo ya ka snam ka basngan bat ka babha na ka benta kinong pang ki badan kam ya ka jingaram kalapan pawru ka jing sngo kya halor ka jing hiar ka jing ai snam mons ngobha ha ka district kabala hiar nak arp kundai persen house nam arja saw sha ka arpo persen house nam arja persen Kiwede kibala jingkran kilong ka principal jong ka Thomas Jones Synod College Juwai ka Dr. Island T Nongbri u Dr. Job R Kawini Adventist Youth Ministries bat ma cheni wan ki nyangti kilaya sam ya ka jingsham jongki bat pen shlori ki weipan ban wan shakman ban ais nam bat ban no sinyang ban pen em yaki men simbrio
So we are gathered here today to join the rest of the world in celebrating the World Blood Donor Day to honor the real life superheroes among us, that is you, our dear blood donors. So the theme for this year is one drop of humanity, give blood, save lives. This theme reminds us that a single act of kindness can make a difference in the life of others. So one unit of blood you donate can make a big difference in the life of the patients. It can bring hope to the families. It can strengthen our communities. As Dr. Karim has already shared to us that every day our hospitals, they need blood for patients undergoing surgery, especially for our mothers giving birth, for those who are suffering from various diseases such as cancer and blood diseases. So our hospitals every day they need blood. So every blood you donate is giving a hope. It's giving a second chance of life to those patients. So as we have heard also from Dr. Karim, and as we have always heard that across our state, and especially in our district also, we do not have adequate supply of blood. So this is why we need voluntary blood donors who donate regularly without expecting anything in return. So blood, as you all know, it cannot be manufactured. We can only get this from voluntary donors who give their precious gift, that is the gift of life, to the patients. So I would like to encourage all the blood donors to continue giving blood, and I also would like to encourage our community members, especially our donors, especially our youth, to come forward and donate blood. I'm also very much inspired and encouraged by the speeches of our voluntary blood donors, Ma Yangti and Dr. Job. So they have shared that they have donated over 25 to 30 times. It's like I'm not proud that my number is still 0. So I always wanted to donate blood when I was in college, when I was starting off in my career, but because I was not on the healthy weight, I could not donate. But your speeches have inspired me. Your journey has inspired me to also start. So I was just telling Madam that I will be also donating blood for the first time today. So on this special day, I would like to share my sincere gratitude to all the voluntary blood donors, to the medical department, to all the organizations, and to all the volunteers for this selfless act of service. May God bless each and every one of you. World Blood Donor Day 2026. Do hereby pledge to donate my blood regularly, keeping in view the need for blood in India. I also undertake to create awareness amongst my family members, friends, relatives, colleagues, and the public about the need for regular, voluntary, unpaid blood donation. Along with this, I also undertake that whenever someone is in need of blood, I shall donate blood without any greed and without any discrimination. I will make relentless efforts so that no life is lost around us due to shortage of blood. Thank you. You may take your